Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. In this video, I'm going to continue my series on major scales, and this video is going to show you every major scale in first position. Now, some of them are 2-octave scales, and some of them are 1-octave scales. And the reason I did the different scales is because I wanted to make sure that all of it stayed completely within first position. And just to remind you, first position is the position where your first finger is on the first fret of the guitar. So there are a lot of scales in this one to learn. But the main thing I want you to take out of this is not necessarily how to play the scales in each position. It's more of the notes in the scale, because in the later videos, that's going to be the important thing to remember, and it's going to really help you move forward in learning major scales and being able to use them. So click subscribe below and enjoy the rest of the video.